What's going on, guys? Colin. Today we're going to be doing like a football challenge. No, we're going to do football challenges with a balloon, like taking shots, doing keep you uppy and stuff.
Penalties.
And we're with the one and only
Nick.
Okay, so first we're going to do.
I'll be in that. I'll be in that. Look at that.
And the radiator's the goal. Show him the radiator.
Oh, this is so easy. Come on.
Oh, what a goal.
Sorry.
It's one goal for me.
That's 21 change for me. Bing.
Oh.
Go.
Wait.
Go home.
I'm going to do a trick shot. Watch this.
Check.
He might need to see it, so get that backwards. You'll need to see this.
Put it at the end of the room.
Yeah. You. Just one sec, guys. Okay, we're back. We'll move the camera back. So, get in there.
I'll go back.
Got a trick shot I wanted to do.
Do you honestly think you're funny?
Bruh.
Oh God. No goals. No, where is it? I'm looking at the
Oh! God, that's so. Oh! Go! Move!
Die! Watch out! Oh. And it's ready on. Sorry. Okay.
And also we'll be doing wrestling after. Where does the balloon go? Where's the balloon go?
Bumhole, hopefully.
Up your bum, I'll never get.
Die.
Whoa! Everyone, comment down below if you think he's ready for me. Look here!
Too tired. Need to go to hell. You raised me up.
Watch out! Okay,
Say hello to my little.
Are we not making a mess of it?
We're not.
She ripped this already.
Okay,
She ripped this already.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna be doing wrestling. So, one sec. Okay, we're doing wrestling.
We're here.
Okay, my go. My intro is this.
And it's Randy Orton slithering through the flames.
You never see me, but now you do.
Pow!
Da. Headlock.
We're starting already. I thought you were friends.
Boom.
Thank you for grandma. Take this, boy. And then try that. I tripped.
Go.
I don't know. Oh, no.
Move! Okay.
Ability.
No, I know. What John Cena's been for. No, seriously. The camera. Go to help. I know. The camera. Go to. You were like a rat.
I hurt my back.
Watch out.
Now I know what John Cena.
Boom!
My day! It's all in his
KO! He's laughing.
backhand.
Oh, God. Eat my dad! Shawn Michael! No, we got those.
Oops. Camera.
Do you know what? One, two, go! Okay, towel. Sit back, roll. Sit down. Head. Rebecca. Chow. Oh, God. Whee. Eat my dad. Do it for the subscribers. Where are you? What's it? I'll get up. You let go. What's it? Bye.
Oh, God. You ready?
Wait, not yet.
I gave it.
Sit there. Down.
Pedigree. Shawn Michaels. We're going on a drill.
Oh, my head.
His finishing move.
I hope you're not jumping around on that settee.
We're not.
Finishing move.
See your face in a while.
I enjoy throwing you 5 seconds.
Great.
Let's go play up. I think it's that it for today.
Yeah. We're gonna end it there. So, bye.